to Angie's Craft Corner. Today is Playing with Angie. And next week's Valentine's. Where in the world is this year going? As you can see, I've got everything ready to go, hopefully. I cut some stuff out on the Cricut. Not for sure what that is. Oh, yeah, I do. And I did my wash for this week on the Cricut because I can't find what I was looking for. So I got my strips for my washi tape cut. I've got like X and O's, love. I've got my little banners. Everything ready to go, hopefully. Well, we'll see. And then I cut this little birdie out with Cricut also, because I thought he was cute and thought he would go good with this. We'll see how this all goes. Now I'm going to just lay stuff out around my planner. And as y'all can tell, I've redone this planner business. This is not my personal planner because I just put too much personal stuff on it and I don't want it out on the web. So I'm designed this one just to plan with y'all and give ideas. Hope y'all like it and enjoy it. This is one of the ones I made, and I'm just binding it with the combs. I stamped the date and the month. It's just all weekly layouts. I probably will use it for something, but not my personal journal planner. So, with that being said, I'm using art glitter glue, and I just stuck it in this Tombow glue deal because I like the tip on this better than I do my art glitter glue tip. But with that being said, I'm going to try to find all my washi tape that I cut. And I know this ain't washi. This is cardstock. And the pattern, the package paper I'm using is from Michael's. It's a Recollection Valentine's Day. It was $6.99. It was 50% off the other day, last week when I bought it. I thought it was cute. And I'm going to do some Valentine's cards with this in the next few days. So, stay tuned. So, let's get with it. I'm being slow and really talkative this morning, or today. And I'm just going to use a little bit of glue. So how's everybody's week going? Got big plans for the weekend? As far as I know, I'm staying. I don't have nothing this weekend. That's shocking. We have a crop this weekend. What the heck? Oh well. And no, I'm not talking while I'm doing this because I guess I can't talk and craft at the same time today. I have enough grips. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna put my bigger stuff on first. I think I'm gonna put my scripture right here. I'm going to put an X in those. There's some of the funkiest O's I've ever seen. Does anybody have the flu or has had the flu? That's potent. My son had A and B. We had it last year in December. And I just made little pink hearts to go around in different places. Since it is Valentine's Day. Wednesday. So I want this little cheeky D. Got one right here. Okay. So, is everybody ready for spring? I know I am. I'm sick of this cold stuff. My body ain't made for this. Although I like it cold, but I just cold. I like to run around in shorts and no coat. Although I ain't more cold all winter. I'm ready for my feet to thaw. Anybody else has cold feet? That's winter is a killer. And if you guys wanting to know what happened to my finger, yesterday I was cleaning my cricket mat with a blade, and needless to say, the blade got me. And I did change the bandage on it. Then I got to playing, and well, bandage went bye-bye. Oh well, that's gonna stick. Okay, and then I'm gonna put love on here. And this is just ideas of how you can do this. Do not mean you have to do it this way. I'm just kind of giving ideas out. That's going to drive me nuts. Ain't it? I'm not going to stress about it, but I am. Okay, so we're done. Well, I'm as done as I'm going to be. And yeah, I do have a bunch of little scraps left. But I think it came out cute. The green kind of made the little body pop, and the blue and different corners. Thank you for joining Angie's Craft Corner. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. And hit the little bell for notifications. Have a blessed day.